What is that? Look at it. It don't have taste. Bro, you're not gonna believe this, bro. Look at that. Bro, this place is ridiculous. I'm going to the Mackey's. This is a joke. Don't go there. Let's see where is our room. Hey, that's not bad. Good morning, lads. What's happening, everyone? We are back in London. London, 8 o'clock in the morning. Nice, huh? Welcome back. We just arrived yesterday, but we was having a busy day yesterday. Just from nowhere, we booked some musical just for a day. That was amazing, I'm telling you. It was one of the best things I ever watched in my life. And now today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna vlog in all day. So, because it's Sunday now, 8 o'clock in the morning, and you're chilling in your bed, probably with your missus, or alone, or maybe with your mister. Take a cup of coffee, make a breakfast, pause the video, and when you're ready, press play again, enjoy it. Let's go. Alright guys, let me just tell you something. Yesterday, we watched that musical here. You see all these big names there. Now let me just tell you something. First of all, I never knew about that story, absolutely anything. Music producer, organize all these rock stars from the 70s and the 80s. They make a concert streamed all around the world, and so many people watch it, and all the money they raise, they give them to the people and the kids, especially in Ethiopia. It blew my head off, I'm telling you. It's one of the best things I ever watched in my life. And you know what? It makes me think that what the stars these days are doing, you know, buying bottles of the most expensive champagne and just put it in their bath. Think about it, guys. It's absolutely crazy, you know. Anyway, let's go. Going to get a breakfast, going to get a coffee, and let's see where London's gonna take us, lad. Okay, half of the morning mission is done. Have a nice English breakfast, get the coffee, and we're ready for the daily adventure. I'm the only orc walking around in London just with t-shirt and jeans. You know, this place, by the way, is Google headquarters. A few more hours later, after walking every single shop on Oxford Street, let's do some stuff, brother. Let's go to the museum. You know, one of London attractions is sometimes you see people waiting in the queue in front of this to take a picture for their Instagram. Let's get the map. Bro, it's huge. Look, you have these rooms here, stairs from everywhere. Now let's see where is the stuff here. You know what? Let's just go. It's huge anyway. So we get in from here. Brother, look, it's huge, that place. I get tired on the stairs. It's always packed with people, you know, always. They never stops. Even if you came like 12 o'clock at night, it's still the same. You remember last time when we been in London, that building there with the 3D screens? Look what's going on. There's people everywhere, bro. I don't know where you live, guys, but did you ever see anything like that? Anything like that. Let's go to the Chinatown and have some nice Chinese, some nice noodles, chicken, pork or something, because I'm getting hungry. Hey, what is this building here? There is no even a single street where you can be alone, you know. Bro, what is that? What is that? Person just laying on the floor. What is going on? It's a queue for every shop, every single shop. And it's people just waiting for you there, staying right next to you, waiting for you to get up so they can sit on your place. Like, come on, get up, I want to sit down on your place. We made it to Chinatown. Nice noodles, some chicken with black pepper sauce or something. Wow. Look at them, waiting here for work. Brother, this place is absolutely crazy. Just look. It's absolutely mad. Smells nice here, yeah? Yeah, proper nice food. The hungry panda. I think anywhere you sit here to eat, you're not gonna make a mistake. Probably the nicest food. Oh, yesterday I ate the best fish and chips, I'm telling you. The fish was so fresh. Chinatown. Chinese food and slot machines. Look, the statue is having a video call. Proper nice food upstairs. You know, food in a restaurant is gonna be nice when it's full with people. This was absolutely crazy. The only table they offer us was right next to the place where they take in the dirty dishes. They don't even clean them, just leave them there. I'm not eating there, bro. Sorry, mate. Bro, this place is ridiculous. I'm going to the Mackey's, this is a joke. That's it. Definitely don't want a lobster. I don't know if I want, what is that? At least it's a proper place, you know. You know what, I want noodles with chicken. Chicken chow mein.
Yeah, it depends if the chow mein is in like sauce.
That's what I want, chicken chow mein. Chicken chow mein. I'm gonna polish that now. Let's go. Look at that. And
Hot and sour soup.
hot and sour soup, nice. You know this place where we just been, the Four Seasons in Chinatown, in London. Don't go there. First of all, the food was alright, was so-so. In the local cheap in Liverpool, the food is better. Second, they're rude, they have no idea what's going on. They barely speak English. They charging you service charge. You know what? I never know about that before, but you can take it off your bill. By law, you don't need to pay that. You can tell them to take it off the bill and that's it. Bro, you're not gonna believe this. I just stopped here in that Chinese pastry sweet things and I just get one of these. It's with coconut. What is that? Look at it. It don't have taste. It's just nothing. They have pistachios inside.
You get another one of those. Oh yeah.
But the white bits, they don't have taste. This is absolutely crazy. What is that? This was absolutely crazy. Let me try that. Now that's nice. What is it? It's like some jam inside, some buns.
Toasted sesame seed, dim sum bun with date and fig.
I cannot even pronounce that. But I'm not joking, guys. If you are from China or you're Chinese, what is that? This is a crime. You're going to take something sweet and you're getting this thing which don't have a taste. What is this? That's crazy. This is a crime. That's it. I live in Chinatown. I get enough. Leicester Square on Saturday night. Absolutely crazy. I was the only person who wasn't on Leicester Square on Saturday evening. And now I'm here too. Look at the queue in front of the Lego shop. What is the people doing in the Lego shop? What is everybody doing in the Lego shop? Why is a big massive queue? Look at it. Let's take the side street. Bro, it's proper packed, you know. Look behind me. It's full with people. Let's check that church. Let me take off my hat. wherever you are around the world, it's always nice to spend time with God. We have like 2 hours before the next show because we're going in some theater to watch the Oliver. But we have 2 hours. Don't know what to do for these 2 hours. Probably sit somewhere having a pint or something like that. Look at that cinema, bro. Nice. This guy's here in the shop pumping 50 cents in the club, bro. Nice. We escaped the madness, bro. We're sitting above West End, drinking tequila cocktails. Amazing. I needed that. I need a break. Look at it. I'm even scared to show the camera out. Even the camera get PTSD. Nice. That's what we're watching. And we're watching it here. Oh my god, bro. I leave the hotel at 9 o'clock on the morning and it's half 11. Oh my god. I just want to show you something before I go straight to bed. That's my target calories. 500 a day. Today I burned 720. Bro, look at the steps. 18,572 steps. This is 12 kilometers. Bro, it's like 8 miles. I can't breathe. I want to go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow.